Assalamualaikum to Sir Army. We want to present about the process of developing a website for our small business usage. I am Nonisa Nabila as the first presenter will explain about the introductions and the methodology. The second presenter is Nur Shahira that will explains about the project plan. And the last presenter is Natasha Anis that will explain about the result and analysis and the conclusion. Introduction. What is HTML? HTML is a standard markup language for a document that are designed to be displayed in a web browser. There is some difference between HTML and HTML5. HTML is a widely used programming language for the web application, while HTML5 is the latest version of HTML programming. HTML does allow support for video and audio data in the programming language, while HTML5 allows any kind of data to be incorporated in the program. There are some benefits of using web design templates such as save time. This is because the web design templates are already coded. Next, immediate result. We can manage our own site easily. Next, proper coding. It helps us to build a professional website quickly even if we do not have any technical knowledge. And last but not least is unlimited content. CMS is a platform that can be possible for us to add content easily. Methodology. The concept behind Ubuntu website is to develop a website that will be simple, elegant, and functional for our viewers. So we decide to make a hierarchical structure. It is suitable for our website that only has 6 pages, which are home, shop all, lookbook, management team, about, and content that are linked with each other. This is a flowchart that describes what the user will be experiencing while using our business website. Besides that, the website focuses solely on the brand of Ubuntu and its product offering. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Shaira binti Muhammad Noor. I will continue the presentation. This project consists of 3 members in team, which is the first is Nur Shaira binti Muhammad Noor that have a skills as a project manager. The project manager is responsible for the overall development, implementation, and day-to-day operation of the project. Have knowledge of the design and management of the project. The project manager understanding the strength and limitation of hardware and software, also ensuring people skill and organization skills. She also conveying information between the team and the client. The project manager can able to be a good listener for the multimedia team. The project manager also act as audio specialist by locating and selecting suitable music and talent, and also digitizing, editing the recorded materials. Is Natasha Anis binti Mat Saud as a multimedia designer. Our multimedia designer have experience using a variety of design tools, including the Adobe Creative Suite. She have ability to analyze content structurally and match it with effective presentation. Expert with different media types, also have ability to look at information from different points of view. Besides, she have understanding resources for both technological and human. Her responsibilities in developing and producing multimedia pieces for use on website, in multimedia presentation, and for interactive display and exhibits. Collaborating also with marketing and public relations teams to determine appropriate visual, texture, and animated elements of project. Multimedia designer responsible in preparing artwork and media for final approval and distribution. And our last multimedia development team member is Nur Nisa Nabila binti Rosli as an interface designer. Her responsibilities in multimedia development team is to provide access to media and control people who use it. She also familiar with different multimedia interfaces, have knowledge in authoring system and user testing, and also have basic drawing skills. She also acts as writers, which is create character, action, point of view, and interactivity. In addition, she also write proposal and write test screen, which is content writers. She has a background in marketing and have ability to work within tight deadlines.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Natasha Anis and I will present about result and analysis. So for the first is about our homepage. So homepage is significant of the page it is acted as the main page for the website. Here is the first impression of what the viewers will see when they visit our website. There's our brand logo, promotional and informative banner, and promotional video in this particular page. Through this page, the viewers can navigate into another page by clicking the button option on the right top corner. So the second page is a shop page. So this is the reason why our visitors visit our website in the first place. In this particular page, every single one of our product is shown and explained in details. There are two main categories of urban products, which is men's clothing and women's clothing. The product pictures, types, prices, and description are all included in this page. Through this page, all the viewers and potential buyers can explore through all of our products option, as well as making a buying decision and submitting an order if they are interested with our products. In the third page, otherwise known as team management page, in this page it is explained in detail the company founder's name, educational background, as well as their best attributes. So in the fourth page in this website, which is the about page, in this particular page, the mission is explained in details. So for the last page is a contact page where we include our address, our contact number, email, and the business hour are also included in this page. Viewers can also give us feedback about the problems that they face with our products. So for the conclusion, website play a huge role to make sure that a firm can present their brand and product to the masses. In this day and the age of technology advanced generation, the people, especially the younger generation, use firm website as the main sources when they are curious or interested about what is the firm selling or offering.